Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new and must-know keyboard shortcut in Windows 11. So if you want to work faster and smarter in Windows 11, in this tutorial, I'll show you the new and essential keyboard shortcuts that will save you time and improve your workflow. So here I've already opened the on-screen keyboard to show you what shortcut that you need to know. So the first one, this is the Windows key. You can just click on the Windows key and then W letter in here to open the widgets panel. So let's just try on it. See, once I click on that, the the widgets panel will be open automatically. Now let's move to the second one. You can use the Windows key plus A to access the quick settings. So let's try. Click on the Windows and then A. And here, as you guys can see on the left side, on the right side, the quick settings will be open. And the third one is the Windows key plus Z. This one will allow you to access the snap layouts. And the last one is the Windows key plus K that will allow you to cast media directly. And so that's all for me. That's our four new shortcuts that you can access on your keyboard to smoothen your works in Windows 11. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on things.